You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, you found the right channel. I'll suggest a few more videos you'll definitely want to learn from correct pronunciations from. Ossicone is the British English and American English pronunciation, the singular Ossicones. Ossicones is generally how it's pronounced. The Americans say it more with an open A sound. Ossicone, ossicone, British English, or ossicone. The plural, ossicones, ossicones. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Ossicone, ossicones. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.